It's a beautiful, beautiful Sunday morning. Yesterday I didn't say good morning. It was Saturday. I had to rush out. Went to Nashville and get the pick up the tiles and just a bunch of stuff. I'll figure out what to tell you guys when I'm editing the video. But as far as today, it's a beautiful Sunday, and we're heading up to the river, guys. We're heading up to the river. Right now I still have the van, so I'm gonna head out. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna head out to the truck yard and drop this van off and pick up the pickup truck. So I'm heading down there now. Give me a few, guys. Let me get the okay, I got the keys. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna head down to get the to pick up the pickup truck. So stay tuned. I'm heading down there now. Let me get in the light. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Beautiful Sunday morning. Well, Sunday is night outside, so I hear the crickets. Alright, let's get it. Hold on, guys, I got my tea in one hand. Yeah. It's dark right here. It's like 5 a.m. Super dark. Yeah. All these tiles in here. So yeah, guys, so I don't have no light, but the van is loaded with the tiles. Turn this light on. Yeah, the van loaded with tiles right now. I'm gonna go empty the garbage. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I'm gonna go empty the garbage. Give me 1 second. Not the garbage. Close the garage door. I'll be right back. Yes, my beautiful people. So I'm gonna secure this real quick. Got my tea. I don't want it to spill. It's very hot. Seatbelts on. Yes, my beautiful people. So, you know, it's pretty dark, guys. I gotta put some lights by the gate. But yeah, I can't see nothing. Yeah, this street right here, this little section, we don't have no lights right here. So no street lights. So backing out on the road is dark. You can't see nothing. It's like at night you back out real blind, you know. So yeah, it's 5 a.m. heading to the truck yard. I'm gonna swap this out. I'm gonna drop the van off and pick up the pickup truck. And then head back up, you know, load up real quick and head out by at least 7 o'clock. So my day started at 5. It ended at like 1 last night, 1 in the morning. Let's say 2 o'clock by the time I got up, took a shower and went to bed. So I only got like 3 hours to sleep today. Well, yesterday to today. Yesterday I got up early as well. I got up like 5 in the morning maybe. Because I went to Nashville yesterday, so I got up like 5. I got up like 4:30 and drove out by 5, a little after 5. Got up to Nashville would say, make sure that, yeah, got up to Nashville by 9:30 our time. For them it was like 8:30. So I got there, loaded up the van. The van is filled right now. It's because it's dark back here, I can't show you, but when I pull over, when I get to where I'm going, I'll video it. But yeah, loaded up the van. Right now I'm in pain, guys. My wrist hurts, my back hurt, my legs hurt, every muscle right now, back muscle and all of that hurts, right? And it's just because it's a lot of tiles. The quarry tiles, it was, I'll show you the video, you'll see the amount of tiles. It's like 3 pallets, not stacked all the way because they're, you know, thin tiles like this, but it's 3 pallets of quarry tiles, which is heavy. Right now I'm driving the van, it's probably about 3,000 pounds in here, real, like literally 3,000 pounds. So quarry tiles is like stone tiles, right? Those stone tiles, are heavy, right? 6x6 stone tiles. So, you know, by the time I got done, it took me like an hour and a half, let's say 2 hours, to load all of that, you know, and get everything strapped down and loaded. Took about 2 hours, right? So me constantly just loading that van. At one point I felt like I was gonna pass out, guys. You know, when you go to the gym, and I was drinking water, I was completely drenched in sweat. But I was drinking water. I had bottles of water I was drinking, but as I drink it, it was coming. So you know when you go to the gym and all your muscles are sore and your back hurt and you feel like your knees shaking, your legs shaking from working out. That's what happened yesterday with those tiles. I don't think I'm gonna do that again. If I do come across that again, I'm gonna definitely get someone to help, or 2-3 people to make it work easier. So, you know, I didn't know it was not gonna be that bad. I know it's gonna be some work, but I didn't know it was gonna be that bad. So right now my back is tight. You know, my back is tight. My muscles are sore. All my muscles in my leg, my lower body is sore from bending down and standing up, and bending down, standing up, bending down to pick up those tiles, right? So, however, we're gonna go up by the river and we're gonna soak in some water and, you know, have a chill day with the family. Yeah. Most importantly, guys, but both my daughters is gonna be here, be there. They hardly we get together, so I'm happy about that, where we could spend some time. We never spend time together, so I'm happy about that more than anything else at this point. So yeah, I'm on it. It's 5, little after 5 now. It was 5 a.m. in the morning. So I'm gonna head down and swap these vehicles out, you know, head back up, load up, and get going, guys. It's gonna be a fun day, you know. Let's hope there's no weather. The weather is not bad or anything like that, but you know, it's gonna be a great day, guys. Great day. So I'm gonna get to it. Just stay tuned. I have my GoPro together. I got this camera together. I'm gonna give you guys, you know, a full day. So, all right, guys. So I'm gonna check back in. What's the daylight start coming up? Right now we can't even see each other. You can't see me. You really see me. I got the light on in the front. Alright, I'm gonna head on down the road. Alright, guys, I'll check back in. Alright, guys, so we pulled up down here. I'm gonna swap this van out for my pickup truck. For that. So we'll get Big Bertha started. Like we're gonna start up Big Bertha. This is the truck yard, guys. Truck yard got a lot of different cars, trucks and cars, and I got this little old Corolla right here too, a little runaround car. I'm gonna get it set up. I gotta clean in here too. Yeah, so I just gotta take the plants out and clean out the middle right here, and I got a bag with garbage. I'm gonna empty all of that. Let me turn some lights on. So yeah. Alright guys. It's kind of dark back here. Can't really see. I don't want to hit any of my other cars. Alright guys, so we out. So down here I'm gonna check my list. I think I gotta go get my I have to get my the coal bag or warm bag from the trailer, from the food trailer. So that warm bag, I'm gonna put the food in it. You see, I'm gonna take this van, put it over here where the pickup was. It's a beautiful day, guys. It's not cloudy, it's not gonna rain, it's nice and sunny. Hopefully up there where we're going it's the same. It's not cold or anything today. It's kind of, I wouldn't say it's muggy, but it's warm this morning. It's not hot and it's not cool. Hold on. Turn the music off. Yeah. Alright. So let me back into this space real quick. Yeah guys, so I gotta swap it out, and one day this week I'm gonna come back and pick up this van so I could empty the tiles, so I could unload the tiles. I'm gonna unload the tiles into the hold on guys, hold on. I'm gonna empty the unload the tiles into the restaurant. I have a what do you call it? I have a room up there, a little storage room. I'm gonna load the tiles into that storage room, pack the tiles into that storage room. Yeah. That way it'll be out of the way. It won't be in the way of the contractors, because they're gonna dig all those floors up and stuff. So I want to pretty much put them out of the way, you know. So yeah. Alright, let me see. Let me show you what's going on back here, guys. So this is what's going on. See? Got the tables right there. I have the tiles all the way up here packed all the way. So all that tile, all those tiles are pretty much packed yesterday. I'm gonna take these out. Alright, give me a second, guys. Alright guys, so I swapped out the truck. Still at the truck yard. I'm getting the bag out the trailer. And it's almost daylight, guys. Daylight's coming out. Alright, so I'm gonna get this right here. We don't need no life vest. I got some life vest right here. I could probably carry this one. Alright guys, so trailer is locked up. I got the bag, the cool bag right there. Lock up the trailer. I got the cool bag and I got this bag in the washer. Yeah. Got the cool bag and I got a little, what you call it, a little cart, a little tool cart. And I use that to pull anything, just in case we don't park, we're not parked close. I could use it. It's got wheels on it. It's like a little tow dolly. It's a beautiful morning, guys. It's now probably like almost 6. I'm gonna take the ladder out too. I got a ladder in here. I'll unload all these things once I get to the house. Yeah. Alright guys, so let me get to it. I'll back out and get out of here. Head back up to the house. Let me check my list just to make sure I don't leave anything. Guys, if you gotta do so much things like I gotta do, I always make a list. Alright, so that, the burgers, hot dog, rice, cheese, chicken, ice. The ice and the ketchup, I'm gonna stop at the Walmart and get those. Pick up cool bag from the trailer. I got the Dominoes and stuff. So yeah, the only thing I was getting was that cool bag right there. So yeah, let me turn. Yeah, let me try and turn right here. Hold on guys, I'm gonna try and turn. Yeah guys, I gotta set me up a little stand in here. That way when I'm when I gotta use both hands, you know, I could just set you in the stand like this. Don't watch the darkness of the video guys. This sun is just coming out, so it might not look all that great. Woo. And then I have to be using one hand, holding the camera with one hand and steering with one hand. This truck, the steering is, you know, it's not that easy. It's not as light as the others, like a regular car, because these big wheels make it difficult. Alright, so see, I'm heading out in the truck yard now. I'm gonna close the gate and then we're good to go. Give me 1 second. Let's close this gate. We good to go. Get luck. Alright, let's go. Hold on guys. get all my garbage in one space so I could dump it. Alright guys, I'll check back in once I'm done here. I'm gonna check back in. Yeah guys. So look, yeah. We have the river. Yeah guys, look. We're having a fun day out here. Funday, Sunday Funday out here by the river. Water cool bridging. Anyway, we're gonna go down the river, so I got my GoPro. We're gonna use the GoPro instead. Hey guys, we're gonna take a trip down the river. Let me show you.
Yeah, those rocks. Yeah.
Try abandon ship. I don't know, look too safe. Look where it's all rotten out.
Yeah.
You see?
And look at all the holes. The water will go through those holes anyway.
Yeah, but man, I said look at the pole. It's rotten out.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
That ready to drop down? I bet the people sit down, hope hundreds of people sit down up top. You see that post right there? Gone. And look there, people upstairs are dying, you know. Sit down up there, they like eat. You got it? Yeah, over here. Yo, the drive shot, but to come down the river, you have to sure take away.
What? The yarn broken now. What? My face.
Uh-oh, we'll get some major stuck in here, I guess.
No.
We're stuck right here, so.
Oh. You threw it in the water? Somebody's gonna get it.
We got through. We got through. We got through. We need to do over this. I know. Back to reality tomorrow. Yeah, come on.
I need my full bag.
Right down there. We get a full ride. Bye. You should have pulled yours. Pull it. But go as far as we can. Come on, scoot past them and go down. The pink ones, them go down. You're right, that's so deep. Hold on, I'm on the wrong exit. We definitely need a stick for navigator.